Hey, this is the Star Union light, battery-operated light that's on the back of most juiced bikes, like the Rip Current, I think the Cross Current. And who knows, maybe the Scrambler, I don't know. But anyway, most of you want to know how to get the batteries out of this. It takes two AAA batteries. Mine worked last year, and then winter came and went, and now it's spring, and it's dead. And I just wanted to, I don't know about you, but I have a custom mounting for mine. I have to use these little washers here for standoffs to mount it properly. I don't know what you guys are doing. Maybe yours was right. My Rip Current was the fifth one built, so I think they were still trying to work things out when they installed this and made the rear fender attached to the holder for this. Anyway, to get this back off, it's kind of a trip. What I found works is you don't want to break any of this plastic, because believe me, it's Chinese plastic and it's ready to break. If you you put the screwdriver there and pull this tab up like that, the back will come right off. First thing I noticed when I pulled these batteries out is that it's like a petri dish in there, and we're growing fungus on the end of my battery here, and I got crap growing. And these batteries are toast. So I gotta take a little bit of electric cleaner. This stuff is great. Every household should have some of this. This is an electronics lubricant. It's not a grease. It's more like a WD-40. It creeps really well and works great as a de-ruster. And then it kind of goes away. But it also waterproofs stuff. And what I'm using here is ProCell. These are really good AAA batteries. They're not rechargeables, but these will last a good long time. And we should be back in business. Hey, we're back in business. And of course, a lot of people have had problems with these, with the switches not working, and I don't know. I think you hold it down to shut it off, and it's off. Then to put the battery cover back on, real simple. Put these two in like that, and done. I think they may have changed this arrangement here, but I have to take these two bolts off to get it off the bike. And these standoffs go like right here on mine. I'm going to get rid of these washers and get something solid to do this, so they don't go all over the place. And I wish I'd have to go and look to see what the size nut is for these, but anyway, that's the deal. I hope you're having fun on your juice bike.